Well, this earnings season has really reinforced my view that unless you're a very long-term investor, it is very hazardous to hold individual stocks through earnings seasons. In the last video, I showed you some of the technical warnings we saw in Netflix and Facebook before they plunged in their earnings report, and there have been several other examples since. So what does one do in this situation? During earnings season, I recommend that most people concentrate on buying and holding ETFs through that period, where stock traders need to be much more nimble. It is very important to know that the risk going into earnings is quite high. It used to be the case that unless the stock missed their earnings badly, the stock would stay flat or go up. Now we see examples of when the stock beats on revenues, beats on earnings, beats on guidance, and still drops 10%. In the Viper Hot Stocks report, we tend to take profits on our positions ahead of earnings. Though sometimes we miss a post-earnings surge, we'd like to bank those profits when we see technical signs that the market is losing steam. Let's take a look at a chart. Take-Two Software, TTWO, was a long recommendation of the Viper Hot Stock Service in early June. We got long right here in the 112 to 113 area. We had a nice run to the upside, moving well above 121, but the profit was quick, and as we often do, we sold half the position above 120 and looked to rebuy on a pullback. We got a nice pullback to this 20-period EMA, this red line here, and then got back on the long side to be 100% long a few days after that. The stock moved again to new highs, getting close to my target around 128 to 130 when we started to see some warning signs emerge. You can see these two candles. They're called dojis. It occurs when the opening and closing price is about the same. And we saw those, and then on June 23rd, recommended we sell the entire position on the opening that Monday. Stock moved sideways for a couple of days, but has plunged in the past week, is now trading down back where we originally bought it, and close to monthly pivot support. This means it could be a buying opportunity again down the road, though they do report earnings after the close tomorrow, August 2nd, so we're standing on the sidelines here to wait and see what happens. I hope this example of TTWO has demonstrated why it's important to have an experienced technical analyst in your corner, whether you're trading stocks through earnings seasons or just trying to find the best ETF to buy. Hope you found this information beneficial, and if you're interested in our services, you can go to viperreport.com. Hope you have a great day. Thank you.